What a day. Nothing but fun in the sun and... free fish fry? Oh, boy. That's for me.
You hear about the free fish?
Thanks for the free grub, bub.
What you gonna eat tomorrow, sonny boy?
I'll come back here for the free fish, same as today.
Oh, sorry. Offer's only good one to a customer. Besides, I got a philosophy about fishing. I give you one fish and you eat for a day. But I teach you to fish and you can eat every day for the rest of your life. $25 a lesson.
Why would I pay someone to teach me how to put a worm on a hook and snooze in a rowboat?
Oh, an expert, eh? Why didn't you say so? Well, since you know all there is to know, I won't charge you a penny. But you catch old Lefty the trout, biggest, smartest fish in these here waters, so I can hang him in my shop to do raw business. And you can eat free at my stand whenever you like.
Free food forever, just for catching a stupid fish? Boy, you're on, bub. I'll catch a few Z's, catch Lefty the lunker, then head back to the bait shop to catch my free dinner.
I'm telling you, Al, we gotta swim upstream together sometime. I know all the best spots around. Yeah. Hey, listen, I gotta go. Some hotshot's trying to make a name for himself. Yep, it's always the same, isn't it? Thinking they got what it takes to catch old Lefty the big trout. Ciao, let's do lunch sometime.
Woo, come to Woody.
Let's see, 10-letter word for sucker. I got it. Woodpecker. A sucker is a woodpecker.
Hey, what's the big idea?
Next time, use something other than worms. I get a big appetite, sport.
There's no fish that can outsmart a woodpecker on a mission.
I knew I could get through to that dim-witted woodpecker. Decoys are for ducks, bub. I'm a big fish in a small pond. You don't want to mess with me. What you want to do is keep me happy, so I don't stuff and mount you over my mantelpiece down below.
No fish-lip-wise guy's gonna... Hey, mayflies are a trout's favorite food. And that free fish fry at the bait shop is a woodpecker's favorite food. Yep, sometimes it takes a big bug to catch an even bigger bug.
Mayflies, my favorite.
Whoa! Now get up, you overgrown minnow! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Yeah! So long. See you next fishing season. Whoa!
I got you now, you sushi bar escapee!
Wait, whoa! Stop! I can't.
Hey, lives.
Now that you know I'm not the big lunker you want to hang on the wall, you can let me go.
Forget it. I got a date with free dinner for life.
Oh, so sorry. This isn't the legendary Lefty. Oh, no. No free meals for you, Woodpecker.
What? I swear, it's your trout.
Told you, sport. Now you're gonna let me go?
No how, no way. I want that free meal, and you're gonna get it for me. Got it? Bucky, we gotta talk.
Hey! Is it true there's a monster-sized trout in this lake?
Monster trout are minnows compared to what I've caught. Why, just the other day, I caught...
Yeah, so I got this great new gig. Oops, gotta go, Al. I'm getting a call on my other line.
And to this day, no one's ever caught a bigger trout.
Step right up.
Get hooked!
I need plenty of bait.
Hold a bigger net.